Hello students. For this tutorial, I will show you how to create a portfolio from a template. This video is applicable for students in ESL 911. For all of the professors that are teaching within this course, the different sections like Professor Adler, Professor Dudley, and Professor Whitner, the video will work for all of those particular sections. First, navigate to the Canvas course where you'll be using Digication. For the sake of the video, we're going to use Professor Adler's ESL 911 Section 4 course. From the left-hand side of the menu, select Digication Cora. Once you've selected Digication Cora, if you're new to Digication, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. I also recommend enabling notifications so you can be notified when your professor leaves feedback on your work. Once you've accepted the terms and conditions, you will see the Digication Cora interface. If you've enabled notifications, the notifications will appear over here. And if you select the particular notification, it will bring you right to the activity where your professor has left feedback. Okay, from here, we're going to create our portfolios. Remember, a portfolio is something you create one time in the semester, and all semester you collect work, you reflect on your work, and then you have your work to showcase to your teacher and to others. So what we're doing now, we will only do one time for the entire semester. So that is to select the Add Work button. Remember, we will only do this one time. Once we've selected the Add Work button, we will get to a screen that looks like this. If you've never used Digication, then this is what your screen will look like. If you've used Digication in another course, you may have some thumbnails here for other portfolios you've created. It doesn't matter if you're new to Digication or if you've created portfolios before. Everyone must select the Create New button in the bottom center. So Create New for everyone, even if you have portfolios or if you're totally new to Digication. This is going to create the new portfolio based on the new template that your professor has provided. Everyone select the Create New button. It's now getting the template and converting it into an individual portfolio. It got the template from this particular course, and this is my name, which we'll have the chance to save it in a moment. This process happens automatically. We get the green banner to say that we've now successfully created a portfolio from the template. We're almost finished with the creation of the portfolio. On the right-hand menu side up top, you'll see Share and a person icon with a red dot. The red dot means that we have some work to do. A portfolio is something that we as individual students own, and we give people permission to see it. So the first time we will enable these particular settings. So click View Recommended Settings. Here, I'm going to take the opportunity to change my name. And I'll just call it Test Student for the sake of the video. And now you will see that I'm the owner of this portfolio. I'm also sharing the portfolio with the class in which I'm enrolled. If you're in a different section of ESL 911, this will say the different section in which you're enrolled. But for the sake of the video, we're using Professor Adler 004. That's why it says 004 and not 002 or 003. Professor Adler also has access to my portfolio, and the students can see the portfolio. So we will select Save. Now, in Digication language, publishing means it makes it visible to your teacher and to your peers. So we want to get in the habit of publishing all the pages. Published pages, you see they're in draft mode, but when we publish them, they will become visible to others. So we have published the portfolio, and now it will be visible to our teacher and others. I will show you how to verify that. You can verify that in a couple of ways. You can select the Share Again and View Published Version. This will show what your teacher can see. You can also navigate back to Canvas, re-enter Digication Cora, and now your portfolio will show up in two places. One, it will always be the thumbnail attached to the first assignment. So if you want to work on your portfolio, you can select the thumbnail. Remember, we will never select the blue button again because we've created the portfolio and that was the job that we were instructed to do. We can also select our portfolio from here. However, you'll see this is sorted by last updated. So as other students work on their portfolios, your portfolio may not be the first one. However, it will be in the list within the course, the work shared in the course. So this is how you verify that your portfolio has been created. And if I'm not mistaken, we had another thing that we needed to do. We had a prompt that says, first replace the text in the header with your name. In order to replace the text in the header with our names, we can unlock the header, right? We can unlock the header and then we can select the gear. From the gear, we can select section options, and I will highlight this and put my name. I'm going to put student because I have lots of accounts, and you see here it is, right? So we've successfully have completed that. And then the prompt also said to add something about ourselves in the text box below. So this text box, we can do a lot of things with this. We can stretch out the sides, we can change the color, we can indicate the pencil, so test. You would write something a lot longer. And now remember, we have this red button again. This means that we did not publish the work. So it would not be visible if we told Professor Adler or Whitner or Dudley that we'd done this, they would not see that. So we select this, publish page or publish pages, and all of the pages will be published. And now, if we wanted to verify, we can re-enter Digication Cora, select our portfolio from either here or down below, and we can see our published work. Now, this is how you create a portfolio from the template, as well as change the name and do some of the first assignment. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you.